In this video, I'm going to show you how you can revamp your bone straight hair, and that entails washing it and restyling it in the comfort of your home. So the first thing you're going to need is a shampoo. I'm using this shampoo from Tresemme. Any of the product you can get that is a shampoo, use it. After washing the hair, I conditioned it with this anti-breakage conditioner also from Tresemme. And while the conditioner was still on the hair, I applied castor oil to the hair, which is going to help strengthen the strands. And I also applied this deep conditioner right here, which is my keratin treatment. I applied it all over the hair and left it on the hair overnight, and I rinsed it off. It dried the hair, and this is what the hair looks like after it had dried. What I want to start doing right now is styling the hair. I'm going to section off the upper part of the hair and apply my Moroccan argan oil serum to this small section of the hair right here. And after applying the Moroccan argan oil serum to the hair, what I'm going to do next is to spray my heat protectant spray. And I'm going to show you the heat protectant spray which I'm going to be using. And it's this one right here from Beautiful. I'm going to spray this heat protectant spray all over the hair. And after spraying it all over the hair, I'm going to start the process of styling the hair. And I'm going to use my Cloud9 hair straightener and that comb. While I comb through the hair, I'm going to use that hair straightener to straighten the hair in really small sections. This is a very repetitive process. All you have to do is apply your Moroccan argan oil serum to the hair or any other serum you use for your hair extensions, and also apply your heat protectant spray to the hair and use your styling tool to straighten the hair. People always ask me what are alternatives to the heat protectant spray. I think I'm going to have to do an in-depth tutorial on several alternatives that you can use if you do not have your heat protectant spray. But for now, what I'm just going to say in this tutorial is if you have just your hair serum, use only your hair serum, apply it on the hair and style the hair. But take note that excessive heat exposure to your hair extensions actually would make the color become lighter. It can actually reduce the quality of the hair a little bit. That's the reason why it's necessary that you use heat protectant spray when you're styling your hair to prevent adverse heat damage. If you're watching this video so far and you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please join the family. Click on the subscribe button right below and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future uploads here. Also, share this video with somebody who you know always buys wigs but doesn't take time to maintain her wigs. Maybe the first week she's wearing her wig, it looks really nice, and when it starts getting to about 3 weeks, a month, she starts to look like she's wearing rags on her head. Please send this video to her so she could learn how to maintain a bone straight hair, as coily hair, a wavy wigs. I have tutorials on different types of hair extensions that you may have that are going to be very beneficial to you. Also, I have books that can really help you if you're somebody who's looking to start your hair business in 2024 and beyond. And these books are How to Start Your Hair Business and Hair Extensions and How to Test Its Quality. I have the ebooks available on my website. A link to my website is in the description box. So please click the description box to get the link to my website. Or you can just search for www.enlbeautyng.com to shop products that I have available on my website, such as my ebooks, my wigs, and you probably want to have me revamp your wigs or color your wigs for you or make a wig for you. You can reach out to me via my website. So back to this tutorial. You see that what I'm doing is just applying the hair serum to the hair, spray the heat protectant spray. Then I proceed to straighten the hair using that Cloud9 hair straightener. And I'm working in really small sections, like I've always said. Always work in really small sections if you want to get the best straightened hair look you want to have. Yes, so work in really small sections, and as you straighten one part of the hair, you can move over to the other side that you haven't straightened, and just be very patient while you're doing this process so that the finished look can be really nice. Yes. If you're getting value from this video, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Please, let's increase the engagement on this our channel, and also let me know what videos you want to see next on our YouTube channel, because I've been thinking like strategy in terms of I'm becoming really bored. God, I'm somebody who gets bored really easily. If I keep on doing one particular thing over and over and over and over and over again, I get bored. I get bored. So I'm thinking about new content for 2024. I know in 2023 I did a whole lot of hairstyling videos, and in 2024 I'm just thinking I probably want to get back to doing more teaching videos. I really want to get back to doing more like more talking videos. I want to get back in front of the camera a little bit, at least if I'm doing maybe some hairstyling videos, or probably I'm showing you like how I make a wig. I also want to get to talking about certain things, probably related to my experience, my most recent experience. You probably like, dealing with loss, very sudden loss, and probably like your hair business, starting your hair business, and then I have other interest. I have other things that I'm hoping to do in 2024, but I can't really speak about it until it starts to manifest. But I'm just optimistic and praying that it works out exactly how I want it to. But not really exactly how I want it to, but according to God's will, I just hope that things work out how I want it to, and of course we just see how the channel goes. But if there's anything you want me to share about on my channel, any videos you want to see, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to make videos for you that you would benefit from. Yes. So you notice that I'm actually around the closure area right now, and I applied my Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to the hair around the closure area, and then I spray that heat protector and spray. But what I'm doing right now is just combing out the hair, that closure area, and then I'm going to use my hair straightener to straighten the hair. And you'll also notice that I used that tail comb to ensure that the part was clean before I proceeded to straightening the hair around the closure area. And I'm using that hair straightener to flatten the hair around the closure. But this is not going to give you the best effect. What I'm going to do is use my coiling wand. And it's either you use your hot coiling wand or you use your hot comb. That's the hot comb, yeah, of course. So any one that you want to use, it works perfectly well. Both of them do the same thing. They are both going to flatten the hair around the closure area for you. Some people ask me that they see me using a hot coiling wand to straighten my hair, to flatten the hair around the closure area rather, and they learned how to style hair with the hot comb. That is it possible for them to use just the hot comb? And I say yes, both of them are styling tools. You can use any of them, because you notice that in some of my videos I use the hot comb, in some other videos I use the hot coiling one. It just depends on what I have closer to me and what I'm in the mood to deal with. So use whichever tool works best for you, that you're most comfortable with, that you feel like okay, you achieve the best results with. But with the hot coiling one, you have to be careful not to burn your list. So right about now, I'm just applying that hair wax to the hair around the closure area to ensure that any flyaway hairs lays flat and the hair is just well behaved generally. So I'm going to go back to that hot coiling wand and also flatten the hair around the closure area, because this hair straightener that I'm using to flatten that hair on the closure area is definitely not doing it for me. So let me get back to the coiling wand. And I want to just use this medium to say a big thank you to all of you queens that have reached out to me in my community tab based on my mom's demise. I just want to say thank you for your messages, your prayers. I sincerely appreciate each and every one of you. I'm truly grateful. And I pray that you never experience sudden loss that is going to really shock you in your life. At least let it not happen for you, I beg. It's really difficult to deal with, but I guess it's just part of life. So yeah. So thank you so much for your kindness, your messages, your prayers. I sincerely appreciate. So right about now, I'm done with styling the hair. What I'm just doing right now is just applying the hair serum on the hair generally. So what this does is just to help lay any flyaway hairs and just to ensure that the hair looks healthy and silk and smooth. So after I apply that hair serum all over the hair, I'm just going to comb through the hair, and I'm literally done with the styling process. I am done. This is basically how you can style your bone straight hair, your natural straight hair in the comfort of your home. Let's say you don't want to have to pay someone to revamp your wigs for you. All of what I did in this tutorial, you can purchase the products that I used, tools that I used, and repeat the same process that I did in this tutorial. Don't forget, if you are more tips, if there are videos you want me to make for you that are going to help you in your personal life, or probably like with beauty related video, just let me know in the comment section. I saw a comment recently about somebody asking me what body cream I use. I don't know, anything you want to know, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to film tutorials that are beneficial for you in particular. Thank you so much for watching. This is the finished look of how the hair looked after styling it. Yeah, and I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share this video with somebody else who you feel is going to get value out of it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Remember, people would have courage, live a positive life, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, love.